What's up, YouTube? It's here. Finally arrived. Well, not finally. It was pretty fast, actually. The GShock Budweiser is in my hands. For those who saw my video alerting you that it was dropping, hopefully you got one if you were interested. If not, then here it is. Enjoy it on my video. All right, let's get started. Let's go. Alright, so we're doing an unboxing. I haven't seen this in person yet. I saw some pictures of it, of course, on the Budweiser website, as well as other people who have posted and shared pictures of this actual collaboration. But here it is in the flesh, the GShock DW5600 Budweiser collaboration. I can't wait to see it. I'm excited. Before I get started, it comes in this cool white box. It's kind of interesting, but it also has this little scan code, the QR code that's on the bottom right side of the box. It's some kind of competition giveaway. You scan the code with your camera and up comes this website where you enter your information to prove that you're over the age of 21. This one in particular, seems like I won some kind of, I don't know, wallpaper image or something. I'm not sure what are the options of what the sweepstake includes, what are the options of winning, but I won apparently some kind of picture. I don't know. If you guys, anybody else participated, let me know what you guys want. I'm curious to see what's out there. And before I get started, before I jump into this watch, I want to thank all you veterans out there. It is Memorial Day weekend, so happy Memorial Day weekend. If you have loved ones who have given and made the ultimate sacrifice for the country, thank you so much. My wishes and thoughts are with you. Hopefully their legacy lives on forever. Thank you for all you've done. All right, let's get started, guys. Memorial Day weekend, rocking the flag. All right, let's pop the baby open and let's see what's going on in here. I don't want to damage the box. Put this on the side here because I don't want to damage it. Come on. Oh my God, I gotta work out. Okay. I gotta work out a little bit. All right, so there it is. Ready for Memorial Day weekend. I got my 12-pack here ready to go. The Budweiser. This one came from Bodega. I did not order from GShock because they were dropping a day later. Since I posted, the Bodega ones have sold out. I think they had approximately 300 or so on their website. I did not check how many GShock had, but they sold out almost the same day. In a few hours, I believe. In an hour or two, they sold out. But here it is, Budweiser. Nice little cool display case. I love when they do this, get creative. It reminds me of a 12-pack case. You have the Budweiser right here. It says one, one count. That's pretty cool. I think it says 12 on the case. King of Beers, Budweiser, the King of Beers. Yes, it is. This one, what is it? This Bud's for you. Is that the slogan? GShock Budweiser in that calligraphy, handwritten font that you all know if you're familiar or a Budweiser fan. King of Beers, brewed by our original process from the choices. What does it say? Choices hops? I can't read. Rice and best barley malt. Brewed and canned in the USA, Anheuser-Busch Incorporated. GShock collaboration. A great American Budweiser lager beer. This famous Budweiser beer we know of no brand produced by any other brewer, which costs so much to brew and age. Our exclusive Beechwood aging produces a taste, a smoothness, and a drinkability you will find in no other beer at any price. I don't know, Budweiser. I don't know, Budweiser, but okay. Very sturdy. It's got a nice, strong feel to it. Not sure. I'm gonna open this side here. Here we go. All right. I love what they did with this. It reminds me of the Bodega, the soup one that I did a review on. Here it is, the Budweiser, guys. It comes in a nice can. Oops. Pop that open. On top of that, you had this little, what does it say there? Budweiser to open can. Jelly turn the top counterclockwise until it stops in the opening position. Once the opening position, gently pull the top off. To lock, simply put the top back and turn clockwise. Do not pull the tab. Do not pull the tab on the can to open. Why not? You damn alcoholics. First thing you're gonna do is pop the can. Oh my God. You've been conditioned to drink. That's funny. All right. Please don't litter. Dispose of properly. I mean, feels like a genuine Budweiser can, guys. It's pretty cool. I think they did a great job with this one, man. It's if you're not a Budweiser fan and you're a GShock fan, this is one to get nevertheless because of the aesthetic design of this watch. What is this? Is this a 20 ounce or what do you consider this? Does it say 112 flowing ounces? So it's a 12 ounce, man. It's a big boy. There you go. Ready for the Memorial Day weekend, guys. Let's get it. All right. So it sounds like you twist this counterclockwise. Oh, man. Oh, there you go. And then just pop it open like this. And then inside you have this. Actually, it's plastic. I thought it was actually metal, but it's plastic container. And then inside comes this cool watch, as well as your manual and warranty card. Nothing else, right? Let's check this. No, nothing else in there. You can see, focus. There we go. Nothing else in there other than the warranty card. Come on. There you go. And the manual. So the manual, this is a 3229 standard 5600. There's a lid here. You can see that. All right. It doesn't look like it. Oh, it does twist. So it's got this little lip there. Let me show you guys. A little lip there. That's what causes the can to lock in place. So you twist it. I'm assuming it lines up right there. So you drop it in and twist it. It locks into place, and that keeps the alcohol from spilling out. Yes. All right. There you go. So it's got a little. This probably wouldn't even pop open, but I'm curious to see if that would actually open. But let's get to the watch because I know that's what you guys are really interested in. But I love when they do the whole package like this. But here is the watch itself. All right, so from starters, I'll tell you it's not a glossy band. It's actually a matte finish on the band. I thought it was gonna be glossy, but it's pretty cool that it's not. It's a flat red band with the Budweiser. And the Budweiser itself, it's hard to see if I could picture it, if I could show you guys this, but it's like it's a white, but also kind of metallic looking. There, you could probably catch it there. You see how maybe it's the print process itself that was used to design this. But it's kind of looks like a metallic silver color, although it's white, it's clearly white. Budweiser there on the red band. On the other side, no print at all, but you have this great brushed metal Budweiser band keeper right there. It says Budweiser right on it. Mine has a little, oh maybe, no, it's not a scratch. I thought it was a scratch, but it's not. All right, so it's brushed metal. You can see that. Great looking band keeper, guys. That one's pretty nice. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Stainless steel, also brushed metal on the clasp there. The buckle, see that? Very nice brushed metal. I love brushed metal. All right. The bezel is white. Nice ghost colorway there. Very clean, very clean. Stainless steel buttons there for all the lights and the screws. Hello, you see me? All right, Budweiser there. Genuine on the sides. King of beers on the bottom there. And then the standard 5600, the day of the week, the date window, and then the time. Modes, it's just standard modes. Alarm, timer, stopwatch, and back to your home time. That's all you get with the 5600. So this is just a standard 5600 decorated and dressed up with the collaboration of Budweiser. All right, before we show you the backlight, let me show you guys the back plate. There it is, All-American Anheuser-Busch with the eagle. Is that an eagle? I think it's an eagle, right? So American Eagle flying there. That's probably what the logo means. But if you guys know, if you guys are a fan of Budweiser and you really understand, a real fan, and know what this logo means, put it in the description. or leave a comment actually. Sorry, leave a comment. Let me know what that means because I honestly didn't do research on that. So I'm curious to see what you guys know about that logo. Module 3229. DW5600 VT, I mentioned it before. The VT is a standard 5600. They use it very often for collaborations. The last video I did on the 5600 also was a VT, which proves that theory. All right, backlight, here we go. Here's the backlight on this puppy. Show you guys there. You're gonna see the actual, I think it's a bottom right, yeah, bottom right, there it is. The Budweiser logo right on the backlight. Very nice, very legible, very clean. It doesn't interfere. You can see that if I hold it directly in front of me, it does not interfere with the digits. So you can clearly see both the lights, the digits, and the Budweiser logo in the backdrop. If you turn it slightly away from you, you can see the Budweiser logo without the time, kind of to display that way. All right. All right, guys, like I said, want to be had. Definitely, if you're a collector or GShock collector, Budweiser fan, or just alcohol in general, if you like things of this sort, this is one you probably should get. All right, but if you missed out, don't fret. All right, GShock Casio has sold out. Bodega has sold out. There's a third, and probably not the final, but there's a third website that has some for sale. Only 25 in stock. And I'll put the, on the video, I'll put the website link so you guys could go get one if you missed out. Same price, $200. I don't see any discount codes available. If you find one, also leave that in the comments to share with the other members. Don't know how long it will last. I've noticed it hasn't been selling because one, it's not a website people are familiar with, and two, it wasn't really advertised by GShock or Casio. Bodega did a better job at advertising, and I think other people caught on and shared that information. But here I am sharing it with you. There's only 25 left. I'm sure it'll sell out soon. If you haven't bought one, that's your chance. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. Comment below. Tell me what you think of the watch. And yeah, hit the notifications for upcoming releases so you don't miss out and you don't buy from resellers. All right, guys, till next time, I'm out of here. This is Chicago again. Happy Memorial Day weekend, guys. This bud's for you. I'm out of here. Peace.
My G-Shock, I'm rocking 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 my G-Shock.